Developing an entrepreneurial mindset is important for every single student at American University.
I am the director of the Eagle
founder
Venture
of
Seed Fund.
Agripreneurs Africa.
My venture is
We are developing an
Rain
app called Waste Not.
So DC Startup and Tech Week is a full week of really cultivating the entrepreneurial mindset.
Scores and scores of workshops and panels and pitch competitions, networking events.
Signing up for the DC Startup Week. We're really excited about hopefully attending a few of the days.
I'm excited to see the innovations they currently have.
We launched the incubator program back in 2014, and the person who runs DC Startup Week now, Rachel Koretsky, is one of the first ventures in our incubator program.
By really putting our students in the room with the folks that are doing the thing, it gives them access not only to exciting ideas and community, but it helps build their entrepreneurial identity.
And you get a chance to really see entrepreneurship in action.
It's quite an experience. We've created a venue, a forum, and a community for folks that are interested in entrepreneurship.
I am excited to be able to take advantage of those opportunities.
For the Bulwark Center to be a partner with us is just a great match for everything that we're trying to do in our entrepreneurship program.